importance of science and technology in our society development is now the technology is now more advanced than in the past years. Now it has a big impact in our society and have more advanced and help us in our daily life. Like in our work, technology is a big helps that we also we also we also use technology like cell phones, laptop or internet. They contribute progress in various fields such as information and telecommunication, agriculture, health, education, and environment communication between science and society. Communication between science and society is crucial for informing the public understanding of social preparation and shaping policies and programs. In the past, technology was relatively simple and limited to basic tools and machines such as wheel and printing press and steam engines. Today, technology has advanced to include highly sophisticated and interconnected systems such as internet, smartphones, artificial intelligence, and nanotechnology. Science and technology have revolutionized society by enhancing education, communication, business, and more enabling easy access to information and fostering social development through modern advancement. Means to say, the technology in our area is more advanced than in the past years. Improved communication technology has made it easier and able to connect with people all over the world. With the rise of social media and messaging apps, we can now communicate with friends, family, and colleagues in real time, regardless of where they are located. Studying science, technology, and society is important because it helps understand how social, political, and cultural values influence scientific research and technological innovation, and how this in turn impact society, politics, and culture.